Two, I chose the voltages at the low end to be 2.35, at the high end 2.9, because that was about 45 and 55 ounces respectively. For the flow chart, the first thing I want to do is obviously read the sensor, then compare the thresholds, if it's either 1 or 2, and compare them to the previous state. And then if it is now 1 and it was 0, we set pin to 1, start the timer. If it was on and now it's off, we set pin to 0, stop the time, and calculate the accumulated pump time. And then at the very end, you just set previous pump to pump, so you can do the whole cycle again. And that is the flow chart. And it does run eventually. 13.20. And when it starts again.
It's an analog sensor. It's not going to be the most accurate.
Yeah, but we still don't want it to be like.
And that would be 12.68 here and 12.87 here. The total time of 26.7.